Nigerian puff puff in 10 minutes, count me in. If you are like me, then consider watching this video till the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Without wasting your time, let's get started with the recipe. First of all, you want to sift in some flour. I used all-purpose flour and we are going to be needing 3 leveled cups for this recipe. Gradually sift this into the bowl, 1 cup after the other. Sifting your flour is very important when making puff puff, not just puff puff, for any recipe that involves flour. It improves the quality of whatever you're making and it also takes out impurities from the flour. So please don't skip this step, okay? All done, it's time for us to go in with the rest of the dry ingredients. I'll be starting with some salt, followed by some baking powder, and lastly some sugar. Mix until well combined. All done, so I'm going to set this aside and introduce you to the game changer of this recipe, some yogurt drink. You can get this from any store around you, get any brand of yogurt drink, but this is what I use. Hollandia yogurt drink. And you want to measure out 2 cups, of which I measured 1 after the other. Pour it into the flour mixture and mix until well combined. Once the batter is looking like this, it's time to drop all your stees, drop all your serene that you have been using to mix before, and use your hand to beat the batter. Beat the hell out of this batter to incorporate air into it. Do this for about 3 minutes and you will notice a slight change in the texture of the batter. It was looking rough earlier, but now it's looking very smooth. Did I also tell you this recipe came with a bonus on how to get perfect round shaped puff puff? Stick with me, don't go anywhere, and don't forget to like, subscribe if you found this video helpful. Oh yeah, let's get started. You want to scoop some portion of the batter into your hands. Press the batter downwards, throw and cash. Open your hands to release some portion of the dough and cut it out with your thumb, facing downwards, okay? Trust me, it's very easy, but practice make perfect. Like I said earlier, this is puff puff in 10 minutes, so you don't need to wait for your batter to rise. Straight ahead to frying. I did a little test to check if the oil was in the right temperature, and you can see it's floating to the top, so it's time to fry. You want to oil your hands first of all, especially the part you'll be needing for this job, which is the thumb and the index finger. You remember what we practiced earlier? That's what we are going to be using here. Now press the batter downwards, throw and cash. Once the batter is in the middle of your hands, open in between your index finger and your thumb, press it out and cut it out with your thumb. That's a slower version, so enjoy. You can play as many times as you want just to get it perfectly, and trust me, you will get it right. You can see as soon as I placed the batter inside the hot oil, it came to the top, so you can start frying with your full chest. Fry this on low to medium heat until it is golden brown. Make sure you are not overcrowding your pan. I can brag about this recipe anytime, any day because it is fail-proof and easy to make. Are you a small shop vendor? Try this recipe and thank me later. You want to make it for your friends and family? Try this recipe and also thank me later. There is no difference between this puff puff and the ones made with yeast. If I am to choose, trust me, I will pick this over the puff puff made with yeast. Once you're done frying, you want to place this in a paper towel to drain excess oil before you serve and enjoy. Tell me you don't feel like eating from your screen at this point. Well, go and make yours and give me feedback in the comment section. If you have watched up to this point, please don't forget to like, drop a comment about this recipe, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. God bless you. Enjoy the rest of the video.